In this chapter, we will focus on another software which is known as Content Management System, or also known as CMS. This software will provide access to all the digital modules which is based on CBSE, ICSE and DAV curriculum. So for this, we need to open Mozilla Firefox browser. And then in the URL space provided at the top of the page, we need to enter the IP address of the server, followed by :8080 and then press enter. After that, we will be redirected to the login page of the CMS software. In this page we need to log in with our user ID and password. The IDs of all the teachers will be created at the server individually, but in case the ID of any teacher doesn't exist, then we can access the software with a common ID which can be accessed by all the teachers. For that, the user ID is teacher and the password is also teacher. Now, the home page will open, in which first of all, we can change the color of the home page. And also we can see calendar, last view modules, favorites, as well as, we can access the library from the home page. Now all the digital modules are mapped into library. So we need to click on library. Here the content is mapped class-wise and subject-wise. So in order to open any content, first we need to select a class, and then subject. As soon as we click on the chapter, in the chapter section, all the chapters will get listed down. So from here we will select any chapter and then all the topics will be listed of that particular chapter. Further, if there is any subtopics, those will be listed in subtopic sections. So for any topic or subtopic, whatever the content is available will get reflected at the bottom of the page. So, we need to scroll down the page in order to see the content. Now there are different types of modules available such as explanation, worksheets, activities and more. So in order to open any content we need to select that content. We can identify that this is a video format module as a play sign is indicated in the middle. As we click on the play sign, the video will start playing. We can see the video in full screen mode by clicking on the full screen icon at the bottom right of the video. Also we can control the volume of the video from volume icon, and play or pause the video with the play or pause icon at the bottom left of the video. And in order to exit the full screen mode, we need to again press on the full screen icon. And we can close the video from the cross sign at the top right of the video. We have also provided worksheets for the practice of the students. Let's have a look at the worksheet now. So worksheet is in the PDF format. In order to see the whole worksheet we need to scroll down the page. We can even take print out of these worksheets by connecting a printer to the server and printing it by clicking on the print icon. We can also zoom in and zoom out the worksheet according to our requirement. And, for closing the worksheet again we need to click on the cross sign. Next we have another type of module which is an activity. This is an interactive type of module in which students will be given an instruction and then they need to perform some actions in accordance to complete the activity successfully. We have also provided NCERT books chapter-wise in the PDF format for all the chapters. Furthermore, we have provided practice question papers in class 10 and 12. We have provided 3D videos also in this software. At the top of the page, we can see an icon on which it is written that 3D videos are available here. If we click on that icon, then a data table will open, which is an index of all the 3D videos which can be used as a reference for the teachers to identify all the 3D videos which are added in the library only. So we will just see where in the library the 3D video is added. And the 3D video will always be added in advanced resource at the very bottom of the page. These 3D videos doesn't require any 3D glasses to see, but, instead, the visualization of these videos is in such a way that we get an sense of watching a 3D video which attracts the students and helps to inculcate those topics which need a lot of visualization. We have also provided data table for 3D modules for ICSE. Now that we have learned how to access the digital content, let's learn about some more features available in the quick links. Now for teachers to upload modules that they are having in some external drive, like pen drive or something else, into the CMS software, we need to click on first feature of quick links known as upload modules. As we click on upload modules, a page will open in which we need to fill some details. First of all, at the top, a blank space is provided in which we have to fill the name of the module that is to be added. Then, the next option is to select class, in which we need to upload that particular module. Similarly, we need to select subject, chapter, and topic in which we have to add the module. Then we need to select the type of the format of the module that we are having, whether it is a document format, Excel format, FLV, SWF, or video, that is, AVI format or any other format. Also, if we don't know what exactly the format is, then we can select Other, as it accepts all the formats in Other. Then a tab is shown, in which it is written, Browse. So we have to click on that. Then a panel will open in which we need to find that particular module from the system. After selecting the module, we need to click on Add File. Then, on the top, it will be shown that module uploaded successfully. After that, we can find the particular module that we added exactly at the position which we selected at the time of uploading the module. Even, we can delete that particular module from the place where we added the module. The next feature we are going to learn is Create New Lesson Plan in Quick Links. When we click on Create New Lesson Plan, a page will open in which again we need to add some details in the similar way we added while uploading module. In the first blank space, we need to add the name of the lesson plan to be created. Then, we need to select the class and subject of the lesson plan which we have to create. Then we need to select the date and time on which the teachers have to complete that particular lesson plan. Now, we need to select the chapter and topic of which we have to create lesson plan. As soon as we select the topic, then on the right side, in a blank space, all the modules that are available for that particular topic will be shown. Then we have to drag the particular module which we have to add into the lesson plan and leave it on the dotted line of the box which is given just below the box in which content was shown. We can add many modules into one single lesson plan of same subject, topic and even of different subject and topic. Once we are done with adding the modules into the lesson plan, then at the bottom of the page we have to save the plan which we have created. After clicking on the Save Plan, a tick will appear which signifies that lesson plan have been saved. To see that particular lesson plan, we have to go to Home page, on which we can see a calendar. On the calendar, we will be able to see the lesson plan that we have created on the date which we selected at the time of creating that lesson plan. When we click on that lesson plan, we can open those modules that we added while creating the lesson plan. So this feature saves a lot of time of teachers, as we can directly open the modules from the calendar only. We can even edit that lesson plan from the same page. Once the editing is done, we need to save that particular lesson plan again. And after that the edited lesson plan will again get reflected on the calendar. The next feature is View Lesson Plan in Quick Links. As we click on View Lesson Plan, a page will open, in which we will get an option to open the lesson plan either class-wise or subject-wise. After selecting a particular class or subject, We will be able to see all the lesson plans of that particular class or subject. We will see a list of all the lesson plans, and even we can edit or delete those lesson plans from there itself. After the class is over, and the teacher is done with session, at last the teacher have to log out from that particular ID in which he or she logged into. So this is how this software will work, and once the teachers are fluent with the working of this software, then the teachers can use it effectively and even simultaneously with the whiteboard.